Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we will be learning the one task. The task is basically, how we can send the notice of anything in the PDF format with the dynamic details using VBA. So let's understand the question in the depth so that you will be having the good understanding what exactly we are going to perform. All right. The question is we have a one task wherein we have some details. The details we have in the sheet number one. This is the details which we have. All right, and we need to, and along with that I have one more. I have one word file. If I will open it in front of you, let me show you. So this is the word file which I have. So here you guys can see I have the tags here, tags of date, tags of business name. So what I want to do here, I want to replace this date, okay, with this tag number. All right, so that whenever my code, whenever my loop will be running, so what the loop will be doing it, okay. So for example, my loop right now is on row number 2. So what it should be done, okay. So this date should get replaced by this tag. All right, and the business name here, business, and this tag, sorry, this tag should replace with this name. All right, and so on. So this is the task which we have to do, and after filling all the details, I want this PDF, this word file should be convert into the PDF and send it on the mail. All right, and send it to whom? Send it to this person, okay. Ravinder@email.com. Okay, I have just taken the dummy email address here. Right, so this is the task which we have to do. Okay, AB Enterprises, for example. All right, so this is the task which we have to do. All right, so what we are going to do, I just saved it. Now I have closed. Okay, in order to perform this task, what all the things we would be required, right? So we would be requiring two library. Okay, the first, the Word, Microsoft Word 16.0 and Outlook 16.0. But basically we have our notice format in the Word format. This is why we would need it. And Outlook, because we want to send that particular notice on the Outlook. Just because of that we would require the Outlook library as well. All right, so let's start to do it practical. So I'm pressing Alt F11, okay, and Alt IM. Okay, in this module I am going to write option. I am going to write my code in option explicit mode. Subject send notice. Okay, send notice. Okay, so I have this date. So what I have to do before, I need to make my data, okay, in the format as I want. So what I would be doing, I would be opening my this Word file and will be taking all the tags name, okay, in my sheet. So here I have a date tag, so I will copy this tag, okay, will paste over this date. All right, for the identification. And this business name we need to, this business name would be here. All right, same address would be here, business address, great. And state, after that state we will copy it and will paste where, here. All right, and again customer name we need to take it and will paste here. All right, and again what we have, local account number, we will copy this and will paste it here. All right, and loan amount would be, I will copy this and paste it, correct. And after that DPD we need to copy, paste over this header. All right, and overdue we have just copy it and paste it. We would not, okay, lender name we need lender name as well, so we'll copy it and we'll paste over this. So almost all the details we have filled. This one we would require when we will be sending our mail. Okay, in that case we would need to keep this particular person to the crew. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to write my code now. All right, I have done each and everything. I will copy it and will press Alt F11 here. I am going on tools to enabling my external library which I need to enable. So already I have done Word and my Outlook 6.0, right, 16.0, and we'll click on OK. Alright, so here I am going to write dim OT as a new Outlook application, OML as a Outlook.MailItem, right, dim W as a new Word.Application, and document Word as a document, right? And dim K as an integer for the loop, J as an integer. So first thing, okay, I need to define, okay, just leave it like this. And after converting my legal notice, once it will get ready, okay, and that should be converted into the PDF, and that PDF would be look like this one. All right. Okay, so this is how we have to do, and we copy, and I'm going to delete it. All right. So here, what I have to do, I'm just crossing it. Okay. So next, what we have to do, I'm going to run my loop here. 4k2 3. I want to run my loop from the row number 3. Cells rows.count, column number A dot and xlUp dot row. Okay. After that, what I want to enable my word file, right? And I have enabled. I want to show it. And here now, next, what I need to do, I have my this logo legal notice period template. I will copy this. I will copy the name of my legal notice period file and will open set doc ws.Documents.Open, and file name would be ThisWorkbook.Path. It is my dynamic path. Okay, wherever I will be having this working, if in the same folder I have my also legal notice format in the Word file. Okay, so I would give the dynamic path using this workbook.path, and would my legal notice period or legal notice template docx. All right, and I want to open it in read mode. Okay, so it would be true, for example, or false. Okay, so all right, after opening it, I want to run it. All right, I want to run the loop on my column so that I can replace my each column. Okay, this tag I can replace with this items, right? So this is what we have to do. So I am going to run for k, for j, from row number 1 to 11. Okay, from 1 to 11. If cells row number would be 2, row number would be 1. Okay, and j dot value. Oh, one thing more I can do, I can here write cells row number 1 dot columns dot count. This is my dynamic line. Okay, dot and xlToRight dot column. Okay, here if cell my row number 1, if this should not be equal to blank, then my task should be this. All right, I want to replace my those tags with the items, with the details. All right, doc dot content dot find. All right, what would be the text? I would declare one more value, two more variable, tag name as variant, for example, and tag value as a variant. Okay, so I want to give the name of this particular. I want to give tag name. Tag name would be cells dot 1 comma j dot value. This is my tag name. All right, and tag value. Tag value would be cells. Row number would be this k. All right, k, and column would be this j. So this is completely dynamic. Dot value. I hope you have understood this concept. Okay, after that I want to find what I want to find. I want to find my tag name in my document once my Word file will get open, right? And after that I want to execute what I want to execute. I want to execute find the text. What would be the text which I'm trying to find in tag name? Okay, and it would be, for example, true, and match. All right. Okay. Okay, now I want to replace it, right? Replace with which one? Replace with tag value. All right. I have replaced and with. Okay. After doing this, okay, after doing next J, after doing this, I want to export it into the PDF. doc dot export in PDF format. In PDF format, output file name. I need to provide the path where I want to save this workbook. I want to save this workbook.path. All right, and where I want to save, by which name I want to save it, by the name of, for example, business name. All right, the business name is here D column. So I would be writing my code like this: range D and K dot value. All right, and in which format I want to save, in PDF dot PDF. All right, in export. Great, this is what. And after that I want to close my file. Okay, and I want to invisible. All right, after that, after doing this, I want to prepare my mail. So mail would be like set ot.new Outlook.Application. All right, and set oml.ot.create item would be this one, right? And after that I am going to prepare my mail. This is the very small concept. Okay, two, I want to keep which one? I want to keep B column. So B would be range B and K dot value. All right, and subject would be notice, for example. Nothing I'm keeping special. And in HTML body, what I want to write hi. I don't want you to be confused in this, in this integration of Outlook. So I am not, making it so much. I'm not making it messy. All right. So here I'm going to write my code. Please find the attached notice. Simple. Nothing more than this. All right. And after that I want to attach which one? I want to attach this file. This file. Okay. Where I have already saved in PDF. So here I would be dot add. So dot attachment dot add source would be this one. All right, I want to display it. Okay, so after that I want to close my loop next here, and it would be message box done. All right, this is the code which we have, which we have to write for this task. Or let me also open my Outlook here. Okay, so it would be easier. Alright, so Outlook I think is getting open. Outlook now is getting open. Okay, let me again reopen it so that you know. Okay, now it's getting open. I have seen. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, unless until it will not get open. Alright. Great. Okay, now I have opened it. Now let's run it one by one. Okay, I'm pressing F8, getting error. Next, without for how. So here I think I have already if condition. So I need to and if. All right. Now let's run. Okay. It's running visible. Now it is visible. Okay. Yes. Now you guys can see now what is happening. Okay, my now Word file actually got open, right? Now what is the task? I want to replace these item with this tag number, right? Now this is what which is going to be happen now. All right. So and tag name. Here you guys, if I will hover, so tag name we have got date, and what should be replaced? This thing should be replaced, I'm pressing F8, F8, F8. As soon as I pressed F8, now you guys can see my date tag actually got changed and replaced with the actual date. Alright, so let's again place F8, 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 F8. Let's see how many details now. Okay, a lot of details now is replaced. So again we need to show J and K, 3 and 3. Alright, so it is my customer name. Customer name is going to replace with the Ravinder. So Ravinder should get replaced here. Dear Ravinder, right? So now I'm going to press it F8. I stopped my code. Okay, pressing F5. At the moment I pressed F5, now my file should have saved in a PDF format in that particular folder. So let me show you my here Ravinder PDF now has come. If I will open it, okay, this is the main task which we have to do. You guys can see date replaced, Ravinder, address. All right, Ravinder Sun Private Limited and Uttar Pradesh, and with the business name dear Ravinder, with the amount. All right, and all the details now we have received. Okay, now the second I'm just going to close my Word file and making it invisible. Now I'm going to integrate that particular mail, okay, with the Outlook. So subject, okay, HTML body dot attachment. Now it should get displayed. So Outlook, okay, so I think the one dialog box is already open. I need to close it. I close. Now let's run it. Display. I just displayed. So okay, it is going to be displayed. Now you guys can see, right? The Ravinder is now two, and all the things as we set up, everything is working quite good. So I'm pressing F5 now. I pressed F5, so let's see, okay, what will be happening. My three mail should get prepared, and three PDF should get saved, all right, in that particular folder. All right, the two mail now I think got prepared, right? One, two, and third is being prepared. Third is being prepared. All right, done. Great. The three mails you guys can see, 1, 2, and 3. All right, and the three PDF is here. ABC furniture. If I click on it, okay, so it should be the AB furniture. AB furniture. All right. Yes, this is my AB furniture business name. All right. So here the pin 2. If I will show you the data of pin 2 is here. All right. Pin 2 is here, and business name is ABC furniture. All right. So if you guys can do such a task, okay, in this way. Even I will provide you this code. This code is actually very helpful. Even this question, most of the time being asked in the interview. Okay, this is something which we have to take, and we should learn it. Okay, this is something which is very good. I will provide this VBA code in the description. From there you guys can take it. All right. So in this video only we have learned how we have learned basically the one project, right? Just go through it. Apart from that, if you will be having any question, please do let me know on my email address, which I will be providing in my description box. All right, so in this video, thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Thanks a lot.